Welcome to HomePan Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises a healthier and more vibrant cooking experience, the GreenPan Rio Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 2QT Saucepan Pot with Lid. If you're looking for a reliable saucepan that prioritizes your well-being without compromising on performance, this might just be the one. Let's talk about what makes this GreenPan stand out. The absolute star feature here is its Thermolon Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick coating. GreenPan emphasizes that this coating is completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point for many home cooks who are increasingly concerned about the potential health impacts of traditional non-stick cookware. The company goes further to assure us that even if this pan is accidentally overheated, it will never release toxic fumes, offering genuine peace of mind during those busy cooking moments. Beyond the health aspect, the durability of this non-stick coating is also a major focus. It's tough and reinforced with diamonds, which GreenPan claims translates to incredible durability and peak non-stick performance that lasts longer. This is crucial because we all know how frustrating it can be when non-stick surfaces start to degrade quickly. The diamond reinforcement is designed to combat that. From a performance perspective, the saucepan boasts heavy-gauge construction. This isn't just about making it feel substantial, it's about excellent heat conduction. Even heat distribution is key to preventing hot spots and ensuring your food cooks uniformly, whether you're simmering a sauce or boiling pasta. This thoughtful construction contributes to a more consistent and enjoyable cooking process. For those who like to finish dishes in the oven or keep them warm, this GreenPan Rio saucepan is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This adds a welcome layer of versatility, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven. And when it comes to cleanup, which is often the least favorite part of cooking, this pan is proudly dishwasher safe. This is a convenience that many of us truly appreciate, especially after a long day. The description also highlights the pan's aesthetic. The Rio collection aims to add a touch of color and vibrant style to your kitchen. While this specific model is in black, the overall collection is known for its cheerful hues, and this saucepan is designed to be as functional as it is attractive. It's described as perfect for sides, suggesting its ideal size for smaller portions or accompaniment dishes. Let's delve into some of the finer details. The heavy-duty construction ensures even heat distribution, and the Stay Cool Bakelite handle is designed for a comfortable grip and total control. This is a practical consideration that can make a big difference in how easy and safe the pan is to maneuver around the kitchen. The included glass lid is another thoughtful inclusion. It allows you to easily monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing valuable heat and moisture. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are numerous and significant. First and foremost, the absence of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium in the non-stick coating is a major advantage for health-conscious consumers. The diamond-reinforced coating promises enhanced durability and longevity for the non-stick surface, which is a common pain point with other non-stick pans. The heavy-gauge construction for even heat distribution is a fundamental aspect of good cookware. The oven safety up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe convenience add significant practical value. The comfortable, Stay Cool handle and the functional glass lid are also excellent additions. On the flip side, while this pan offers a lot, there are a few potential cons to consider. The oven safety is limited to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you frequently cook at higher oven temperatures, this might not be the best choice. The 2-quart capacity, while ideal for many tasks, might be too small for larger families or for preparing bigger batches of food. Also, while the description emphasizes durability, like all non-stick pans, it will eventually show signs of wear over time with extensive use and depending on how it's cared for, even with its reinforced coating. Finally, while it's oven safe to 350, it's not meant for broiling or prolonged high-heat searing that might go beyond that limit. In conclusion, the GreenPan Rio Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 2QT Saucepan Pot with Lid is a well-designed and health-conscious option for everyday cooking. Its commitment to non-toxic materials, combined with its durable construction and practical features like oven and dishwasher safety, makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchenware. It's a solid choice for those prioritizing both their health and a hassle-free cooking experience for smaller tasks and side dishes. Link in the description.